Susan with Sewfeet.com, and this video is about a very easy way to piece a block. The pattern of the block is really simple, but your fabric choices can result in a beautiful quilt. Each block is made with one 10-inch square and one 5-inch square, and I chose a cool light blue fabric for the background for the 10-inch square, and then I selected 5-inch squares with warm colors, so the center squares mixed with the cool background gives a very vibrant look to the quilt. And the center of this block is a great place to use large-scale prints like the Cape Facet charm squares that I used on this one. Mark the center of the 10-inch block and the 5-inch, and an easy way to do that is to fold them and press the crease in so you'll know where the center is, or you can use a fabric marker. You can use a glue stick in the center of the blocks to hold the pieces together as you fold and stitch the block. First, you want to fold the lower edge up to the center of the 5-inch block. You'll press the fold, and then you repeat that with the upper edge and fold it down also to the center. Next, you're going to stitch both folded edges with a 1/4 inch seam. And I'm using a Bernina patchwork foot to do this. You can press the seams to the side, but what I like to do on these is to take a small pair of scissors and open up the seam because you have 3 layers of fabric in there and it's slightly bulky. And pressing the seam open helps to reduce that bulk. Now you repeat the process with the remaining 2 edges. Once you have stitched the block, then you'll do the same thing you did before, pressing and opening up the seams if you want to. These blocks are quick to put together because you start with pre-cut so you don't have to cut any pieces. And this method makes it easy to sew precise seams, and then your blocks are all the same size. I have no idea who developed this method or what it's called, so if you happen to know either of those things, please leave me a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit me at Sewfeet.com.